Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and on today's video I want to make something really cool. I want to make some snacks. I want to make some treats and just have some snacks. Every now and then I crave a nice little sweet, and I like making healthy treats, and I have a really good idea on what to do. Right now we're going to be making some delicious Snicker dates. These are going to be so good, and I can't wait to show you. What we're going to do is we're going to get some dates, and you're going to have to wait till we get to the steps. So stick around for those. For this recipe, it's super easy. It has really simple ingredients. All we're going to need is dates, Brazilian nuts, and chocolate. I'm going to be using this one. We're going to open up the date, and you need pitted dates for this, or you need to pit it yourself and then cut it a little bit. And we're going to get Brazilian nut and put it in the middle and cover it. Okay? And we're going to do that to all the dates that we're going to use. And I like to make several because these last a long time in the refrigerator. You can freeze them for like a frozen treat if you want, but you could also leave them in the refrigerator and they'll last good. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to melt some chocolate, which I'm going to do that just now. I'm going to go melt some chocolate real quick and I'll meet you back, okay? Alright, so I melted some chocolate in the microwave so we can speed things up. And I allowed it to cool down just slightly. And now we're just going to add the date with the Brazilian nut in. And we just want to remove some of it, of the chocolate. And then we just add it to the parchment paper. We add it to a sheet tray with a parchment paper. And then we just do that to the rest. Chocolate covered dates with Brazilian nuts. Now, if you can't find Brazilian nuts, you can use almonds. And maybe you want to add a little salt to some of them. I'll add a little salt to 3 of them. I do like the salted chocolate. Maybe even 4. And there you have it. Delicious chocolate covered dates with Brazilian nuts. We'll see these when the chocolate coating is hardened. And there you have it, friends. An amazing treat. I love these. These are one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.